Okay, so the question really is, can you really learn something in such a short amount of time and be good at it, right? Well, I guess it's gonna depend on, number one, the things that you're actually learning, and number two, how they are presented to you. So, yes, the question is really, it's possible, but the thing is, how are you gonna be taught and how are you gonna learn it, right? Let me give you an example, all right? In this one particular thing, just something very simple, striking wise. So we got this strike over here. This is the forehand and the backhand. That's the motion, right? There's a two commonly given attacks, this and then comes back, right? So why is that important? So if I'm going that position, why are we doing this? This is very simple. If you do this over and over, you're probably going to be good at forehand, backhand, right? But it's not just the forehand, backhand that's important. It's about how to apply. So if I'm in this position here, this is what we call the upper angle or upper quadrant over here, right? So on the upper part of the strike, even if I go here in the thrust, I go here, and then I come down here. The whole idea now is like, if I go, I don't know if you've ever tried this. If you go and try this on your hand and try to hit your hand, it's gonna hurt. So if I'm in this position here, let's just say I go and strike here, boom, she hits that position, moves around. You can move around if you want. Bam, that's the position, see? Boom, anything that comes, see? That's it, see? That's it. That's the motion. So now she knows that anything that comes here, just have to hit. Then she actually understands the motion of what the forehand and backhand is about immediately. So what does that mean? So if I'm here, whether that is this, see? If I grab, she can go hit that hand. That's the motion, see? That's it. Now, you can say something like, well, what would happen if it's low? That's the same exact thing. So we do the same exact thing. Lower, see? This is unrehearsed. I'm just teaching her as I go in this motion, see? So if I say anything that comes down, hit low. Anything that's low, you hit. Okay, anything that's low. So I'm in this position, I hit low. Boom, 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 boom. Do I hit that? See? If I go hit high, I get hit low, and you can just kind of wait the motion, see? Boom, see? Because the motion is gonna be it's not gonna be right away, but you're gonna see it happen and come. So it's possible. Imagine if I go ahead and teach you different ways that you can control a weapon, protect the weapon, or disarm a weapon. Much in a concept, and give you the formula. It's doable, and that's the whole purpose of understanding and doing what we call focus training, so that we have a better understanding of the art when you complete the course. All right, anyway, have a good one. Thank you so much for participating. This is unrehearsed. We just thought we'd explain this to you because you are awesome. Thank you. Mabuhay.